So I'm going to do a video on how to find the slope of a line given 2 points on the line. And there's 4 different ways that I'm going to talk about. The first way is by using the slope formula. And the slope formula says m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In order to do this, what you have to realize is that you have 2 points. This is my point 1. This is my point 2. And this is going to be my first x, and this will be my second x. So I'll call that x1 and y1. I'm going to call this my x2, and this is my y2. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you can see here is my y2. So that value is going to be 3 minus my y1, which is over here, which is 6. And then I have my x2, which is 4, and my x1, which is 2. So it's going to be 4 minus 2, which gives me a negative 3 over 2. So my slope is negative 3 over 2. I'm going to do the same idea with a table. So I'm going to make my table. It's going to be xy, and I have the point 2, 6, and I have the point 4, 3. So this is for rate of change. Now, rate of change and slope are basically the same thing. It's going to be the change in y over the change in x. So I have to say, how do my y values change and how do my x values change? Well, my y values are changing because they're decreasing by 3. My x values are changing by increasing by 2. So my rate of change is going to be, you can say my change is in y is down 3, and my change in x is positive 2. And you can see they're the same. Now I'm going to go and use a graph. I'm now going to show you how to do this on a graph. So here I have the points 2, 6, and 4, 3. And so if I start here, I need to do rise over run. So I'm going to go, first thing I'm going to do is go, why is this happening here? Sorry. Oh, that's all right. It was 2, 6 and 4, 3. So for some reason, this is very bizarre. Well, I have an idea. I'll just do it this way. So at 2, 6, that's where I was starting. It goes down to here, and it goes over 4, 3. So this is down 3 and over 2. It's rise over run. So once again, you can see we went down 3, which is why it's negative, and over to the right 2, which is why it's positive, and it was rise over run. And finally, with the graphing calculator or the scientific calculator, you just have to figure out how to enter your values in. You'll have to do it through your data and your stat buttons. And that's it. All right.